Hey man, what are you doing there? Got a dang old hitchhiker on here, tell you what. Alright, we'll let that guy chill out for now. But you guys get a rare sneak peek where it all started. It's my dad's shop up in Georgia. So I'm up here for the weekend, week, whatever, helping him out with some stuff. And decided to go ahead and straighten out those fog lights for you guys, and obviously myself, because they were annoying. Had that driver's side shooting over there. Ain't no good. Now she's done right. Use the little ramp there to my advantage so I can get under this son bitch easier, and yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's probably one of the best looking vehicles that's ever been in this shop. Well, I'll show you around real quick. Turn this thing off. It's probably a little noisy. It's Georgia, it's humid, it's hot. It's like 10 o'clock at night, but it's still hot up in here. Got a wasp friends way up there. Yep, these guys. Yep, fuck you. Don't like you guys. So, my dad does metal fabrication, so he's been working out of this place for over 20 years. Looks a little bit different in the daytime, but that's what you get for now. This is one of his current projects, non-turbo mini. And we'll be playing with this tomorrow. Trying to get this going for him. Already had the head off, bunch of work to that. And turbo mini had lots of stuff we did to this one. And it still will not start. I think we still have a timing issue. Yeah. It's a big turd right now. But you know, Dad's more old school. He's more into tractors and shit. And he gets these newer, you know, turbo, very precise machines, and has to call the kiddo out. But that's what kids are for, right? Learn a little bit more than your parents. Hopefully your parents teach you everything. You keep learning a little bit more, but man, have there been some parties in this barn. It's pretty cool up here, not gonna lie. But yeah, we got the fog lights done. What else do we got? We got a whole bunch of stuff here in the back. She locked me out. Not this door, though. That would have been bad. Don't have a spare with me. Oh, jeez. Alright, so we've got something in this box. Maybe you guys already got the hint up front. But we've got headlight bulbs. Don't even know why I brought the 6x9s with me, because I don't have the surrounds for them. But they're here. And yeah, this guy. That's gonna go in before I go home. Wow, that thing sounds like asshole. Sorry, YouTube, your sweet little ears. But yeah, that sub is the worst. Well, like I stated earlier, just got the GX maybe 2 months ago. Haven't looked at the headlights at all. Haven't even pulled this panel up. Checked the air filter. None of that shit. I checked oil before I did a 5-hour road trip today, and that's about it. It's the first time this little panel's been up. But, man, it's dirty. I need some pressure washing in my life. Anyways, it does look like somebody has already stuck some sort of LED in the low beams. That's why they look so nice and white. High beams, Sylvanias. So probably just your typical bulb. Halogen. We're gonna pull both these out, and we're gonna install low beam H11 and high beam 9005s from Auxbeam. These are pretty awesome. This is their top tier brand, or top tier bulb. So we are gonna see if they compare to whatever's actually in here already. As I stated, I'm gonna put the low and high beam in this side, click the lights on, and see which side looks better. Of course, the high beam on this side should look better. But let's see low beam Auxbeam versus low beam whatever brand this is, which I'll be able to tell you in just a minute after I get it out. Alright, so never heard of this brand before. Fahren, yeah, Fahren, whatever, foreign. I don't know. I went to the school for kids that can't read good. And then we got Auxbeam. I can read that one. Man, this shit looks a little bit better. Sorry. This. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, better than halogen, but come on. Auxbeam looks sick. So, I didn't do them justice. My first set of Auxlight LED bulbs. They actually come with, of course, your pool sticker. That's at least 5 horsepower. A couple of zip ties and some double-sided tape so you can put your little ballast resistor guy somewhere. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's going to look basically the same for the high beams. And we're going to toss this guy in, fire it up, and see what she looks like. Alright, somebody's got to tell Auxbeam to calm down. Yeah. They are that much better. God dang. I don't know if you can tell just by the refraction on the lens here, the light quality, but look at that compared to this dullness over here. Because this is not a nighttime camera. I can't get the best shot in there. Passenger side is an Auxbeam low beam and high beam. This side has that Fahren low beam, which is right there, and a standard halogen Sylvania bulb for the high beams. High beams look amazing. Hey, look, there's fucking trees out there. Imagine that. That thing goes forever. Lord have mercy. It's like looking into a second sun. So bright this thing will not even focus. Holy crap. Holy crap at the bugs out here in Georgia. Jeez. But man, there's that's standing in front of just the Auxbeam light. That's what you'd have with just halogen. And that's with the LED. That is amazing. Stand in front of the halogen over here, I'd still be happy with that. I mean, what does that offer? Not much. It's going to be even better with 2 of those. Alright, for an apples to apples comparison, it's only fair to come back to the field. Right back out to where we were. Good Lord have mercy. I just have all the light in front of me. It's amazing. There's low beams. It just looks like a big square of light out there. It's fucking awesome. High beams, amazing. Fog lights, pretty killer. But let's go test them where they really matter. Out on this dark ass highway full of deer and Sasquatches. Man, the low beams look good. Those are the best low beams I've ever had. Fogs. It's not foggy, but there they are. And oh my goodness. Those are amazing. By far the best headlights I've ever installed. Bar none. There's just no comparison. I have no question what's up the road a quarter mile ahead of me. That's awesome. you guys really want the rugged off-road, guess no more off-road than dirt roads in Georgia. Except this one. It's right by the house. And it's dry. And it's actually well maintained. So, anyways, low beams, fog lights, high beams. This is just ridiculous. I feel like I'm cheating. Like, I shouldn't know what's that far ahead, but I do. Yeah, I guess I could sit here all day and show you high beams, low beams. That's gonna get a little boring. What you gotta do, get in touch with me, order a set for yourself, and see how good they actually look in person. This video is not doing it justice, I promise you. So hit me up, John, Infidel Garage. We're actually in the works of getting our website completed, but if you need, and you do need, a set of bulbs for your GX470, look me up on Facebook, Infidel Garage at facebook.com. That's what we're using for now. And shoot me a PM, message me, whatever you want to call it, and be able to get you set up with a full set of bulbs. Whether you want to go with the fogs, maybe you don't, but at least the LED bulbs, guys. Golly, look at them things. It's just ridiculous. It's cheating. Get some. Call me. Later.